Right, job 2 of Monday. Be the last paint job today because we ain't got no more paint work to do. Anyway, damage on a rear quarter. This was a big bit of damage. This all gone underneath, sealed back up. So yeah, blend into the door over the A post and roof rail. Bumper repair. Gonna wet and wet this just because there was a few little bits here and there. Covered up the back half so we didn't get wet and wet on that. Fine lined out. The repair goes on to the textured bit, so we've got to retexture the whole lot after. Petrol flap. Yeah, so he covered that bit of the bumper up for wet and wet. So yeah, I'll do another video once it's cleared, as usual. Hopefully get a nice coat of clear on it being black.